Hi y'all, I'm Moose and welcome to my art journey. Today our inspiration is going to continue with the word persevere, because we have to persevere. We have to keep pushing forward. It's the only way we're going to get better at what we're doing. So today I'm going to do another flip cup with the ocean colors. Absolutely love the last one I did and it cracked. So I'm going to try to do it again and maybe not put as much paint on the canvas. I don't know. I measured this time. I'm only supposed to have 13 ounces of paint. I'm going to put 12 ounces in this and then, you know, edges with something else maybe like I did last time. I don't know. So today we are again on a 16 by 20, which is also a 40.6 centimeter by 50.8 centimeter canvas. And I don't know where all this stuff is coming from. Let's get on my canvas. Okay. So let's get you into the cup and start going through this. Colors are the same as they were yesterday. I will put a list of them on the side here. I may end up having to add a couple of more colors because I don't know if I have enough of these to cover this canvas, but we're just going to go with it. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start out with burnt sienna. Okay, so we have all of our colors, C-O-L-O-R-S, colors. We have all our colors in the cup, and we're gonna do the flip. And this time I'm gonna hang on to it, because last time I put it down on the thing and I almost didn't pick it up. It was slippery and craziness. I had to put stuff under my canvas to support it because this canvas is not the greatest, I don't think. Is that centered? Pretty close. Here we go. And I just smacked the camera. See if I can get you guys back over here where you belong. Sorry. Are we straight? Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, now we'll just let it sit here and let gravity kind of pull it down. We'll see what happens. I am going to put some of my custom turquoise around the edge just to give it something to flow through. Okay. Let this wait a little bit. I didn't make y'all wait through that. I did a cut. So let's burp this a little. See what happens. There we go. And now it's going to move a little. Shall we let it travel? I just burp a little. Let it travel some. We'll time lapse this. Let's pop the bubbles. I have my torch. Now let's tilt, see what happens. Get that hair out of there. Okay, now that I have all of that extra white covered, let's tilt some more. Go back over there. Yeah, I wasted a lot of paint there, that's okay. I'm ready to make up more new paints anyway. Stretch this out, see what happens. Stretch too much, but I'll do something with this down here maybe. Let me wipe off my hands and I'm going to torch it again, and then we'll take stock of what we got. That was a happy dance. Okay, well guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you're still here, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please think about it if you think this is something that you might be interested in seeing. I do enjoy doing what I do, and I hope that comes through on my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Have a lovely day. Bye.